the notice, certain rules, guidelines.
Yeah, because what is, as I said, no, our Mamladar's role is just supervisory role, so it becomes a problem for him basically to act. So to take any action, punitive action to be taken against the party, it becomes a problem. So we need to basically tighten, give some teeth as far as the Mamladar is concerned, to take actions.
But sometimes it is said that Mamladar also involved in this situation.
No, but Mamladar doesn't have much role. The most important role is of the managing committee of the tenants association. See, tenants association is there, and they form a committee. Sometimes there is a rivalry between the committee and the tenants association. So that is the reason. So don't simply blame the Mamladar.
No, but sometimes it is in the committee chairman हातोच माणसं घेता. So there is also an issue with this.
No, committee chairman. See, anyone as far as the tenants are concerned, because he is also part of the decision. Whether he can take that, I am not sure. But it is amongst their tenants only who can take the decision. No outsiders basically I allow to take. No. So Shatam Bodoika, that issue is concerned. That if it is brought to the notice of the Mamladar, then Mamladar issues who has got to repair the bonds and all. It is a managing committee, because it is for the funds from the managing committee which comes to repair the bonds. Except sometimes when it is extra the thing, then government pays from the soil conservation.
Even the accountability.
No, accountability. There is nothing. There is no accountability, and so far maybe 1-2 cases where money has not been recovered. But there is a section where the onus is on the managing committee itself to record the money.
And that rules frame
by next assembly session. Thank you.